comparing numbers. Now let us learn how to compare two numbers. Out of 10 and 100, we know that 100 is greater than 10. But let us see the numbers of digits in both. 10 has 2 digits, whereas 100 has 3. So we can say that if the number of digits is different, then the number with more number of digits is greater. Now consider these numbers. Both the numbers have same number of digits, that is 4. So we start comparing digits from the left and keep moving right. Here the leftmost digit is 1, which is the same. So we proceed to the next number, which is 2. Again, it is the same. So we move to the next number. We find that in 1279, the next number is 7, and in 1289, it is 8. Since 8 is greater than 7, so 1279 is lesser than 1289. Hence we say that if the number of digits is same, then compare the leftmost digits of both the numbers. And if this is same in both the numbers, then keep moving right till a different digit is obtained. Place value system of large numbers. We will learn about large numbers. We are already aware of the numbers up to 4 digits. Now if we add 1 to the greatest 4-digit number, that is 9,999, then we will obtain the smallest 5-digit number. This number is 10,000, that is 9,999 plus 1 equals to 10,000. Similarly, if we add 1 to the largest 5-digit number, 99,999 plus 1 is equal to 1 lakh. Again, 9,99,999 plus 1 is equal to 10 lakhs. 99,99,999 plus 1 is equal to 1 crore. 9 crores 99 lakhs 99,999 plus 1 is equal to 10 crores, and so on. We observe that greatest 4-digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 7-digit number. Expansion of numbers and place value. Consider the number 548. We can write it in the expanded form as 500 plus 40 plus 8. Or we can write it as 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So we see that this number has 5 at hundreds place, 4 at tens place, and 8 at ones place. This means that the place value of 5 is 100, the place value of 4 is 10, and the place value of 8 is 1. Now let us take a large number, 67,26,985. The place value chart shows the place value for every digit. The place value of 5 is 1. The place value of 8 is 10. 9 is 100. 6 is 1000. 2 is 10,000. 7 is lakh, and 6 is 10 lakh. Now we write this number in the expanded form as this. Read the number as 67,26,985 only. Ascending order and descending order. When you stand in a line for the morning assembly in your school, you must have observed that you often stand according to your height. The taller students stand at the end of the line and the shorter ones stand in the beginning of the line. This is nothing but standing in the ascending order of your height. On the contrary, if one starts counting from the end of the line, then you are standing in descending order of your height. Imagine how it would be if the digits in a number could shift or move from one place to the other. Think about what would happen to 129. It could become as large as 921 and as small as 129. Now let us consider 4 digits: 6, 9, 4 and 2. We can arrange these digits to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number, such that no digit is repeated. So the greatest 4-digit number without repetition will be 9642, and the smallest 4-digit number without repetition will be 2469. Estimating by rounding off. The marks of a student in 5 subjects are 98, 62, 59, 87 and 93. We need to find out his total marks using estimation strategy. To do it, we round off the numbers to the nearest tens. 98 rounds off to 100, 62 rounds off to 60, 59 rounds off to 60, 87 rounds off to 90, 93 rounds off to 90. The estimated sum comes out to be 400. Therefore, the total marks of the student are 400. Now let us round off 8,54,719 to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. Approximating to the nearest tens, the given number becomes 8,54,720. To the nearest hundred, it becomes 8,54,700. To the nearest thousand, it becomes 8,55,000. And to the nearest 10,000, it becomes 8,50,000. Indian and International System of Numeration. The Indian number system is divided into groups 100, 1000, lakh and crore. The groups are further divided into subgroups. Here is a chart showing the Indian number system. Similarly, we have the International System of Numeration. It is divided into groups 100, 1000 and million. This chart shows the International System of Numeration. In the Indian number system, the number can be written according to the place value of each digit as follows. Therefore, the number read as 4,97,84,012. In the International number system, the number can be written according to the place value of each digit as follows. It is read as 49,784,012. Expanding brackets. Let us now find out the product of 20 and 108 by using brackets. We can write 108 as 100 plus 8. So the expression becomes 20 into 100 plus 8. Now by using the distributive law, we get 20 into 100 plus 20 into 8. So we get 2000 plus 160, or simply 2160. Similarly, for finding the product of 15 and 96, we write 96 as 100 minus 4. By using distributive law, we get the value of the expression as 1440. Consider the expression 25 into 40 plus 14 minus 24. To find its value, we first simplify the expression in the brackets. Now as 40 plus 14 is 54, So we get the expression as 25 into 54 minus 24. On further simplifying the bracket, we get 25 into 30, which is equal to 750. Therefore, the value of the expression is 750. Conversion between Hindu, Arabic and Roman numerals. There are various ways of writing numerals. We use Hindu-Arabic numeral system, according to which numerals are written as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Another way of writing numerals is Roman numeral system, in which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 respectively. Some standard symbols of Roman numerals are as follows: I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. Conversion of units. To measure length, we use the units kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. To convert millimeter into centimeter, we divide by 10. To convert centimeter to meter, we divide by 100. We divide by 1000 to convert meter to kilometer. Let us convert 2 kilometers into meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 2 kilometers is equal to 2 into 1000, that is 2000 meters. To measure mass and weight, we use the units kilogram, gram, and milligram. The relation between the units is as shown. Similarly, we use liter and kiloliter to measure capacity. Estimate sum or difference. A quick way to estimate the sum of two numbers is to round off each number and then add the numbers. For example, let us estimate the sum 6,174 plus 15,948. Rounding off to nearest thousands, 6,174 rounds off to 6,000 and 15,948 rounds off to 16,000. So the estimated sum is 16,000 plus 6,000, which is equal to 22,000. In the same manner, we can find the estimated difference. For estimating the product, round off each factor to its greatest place. Then multiply the rounded off factors. For example, let us estimate the product 67 into 415. 67 rounds off to 70 and 415 rounds off to 400. Thus, the estimated product is 70 into 400, which is equal to 28,000. Forming of numbers. Consider 3 digits, 0, 4 and 5. We need to form the greatest number from these digits, and each digit can be used only once. The greatest number is 540. To find this number, we simply arrange the digits in descending order. So, we got the greatest number 540 using these digits. Now, if we want to form the smallest number using these digits, we arrange them in ascending order. We see that 0 is the smallest, then 4 and lastly 5. If 0 appears in the beginning, so we shift it to the next position. Hence, 405 is the smallest number. Similarly, consider 5 digits: 8, 9, 7, 4 and 2. The greatest 5-digit number we can form using these digits without repetition is 98,742, and the smallest 5-digit number using these digits is 24,789. Use of brackets to simplify calculations. 2 workers work for 5 days in a week. The first worker works for 10 hours daily and the second worker works 8 hours daily. How many hours do they work in 5 days? Let us find the answer with the help of the given animation. The number of hours devoted by the first worker in 5 days is equal to 5 into 10, which is equal to 50 hours. The number of hours devoted by the second worker in 5 days is equal to 5 into 8, which is equal to 40 hours. So the total number of hours devoted by both the workers is equal to 50 plus 40, that is 90 hours. Now using the bracket we can calculate as total hours devoted by both workers in 1 day is equal to 10 plus 8. So the total hours devoted by both workers in 5 days will be equal to 10 plus 8 into 5, which is equal to 18 into 5, that is 90 hours. Use of commas. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then lakh and crore. Commas are used to mark thousand, lakh, and crore. The first comma comes after hundred place, that is 3 digits from the right, and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digits later, that is